China. Today I'm going to be reviewing one of my favorite makeup brands, Miskissbeauty. I got her full makeup collection, and this is a black owned business, so I'm really representing and showing you guys all the lip glosses that she has and her eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna dive right into it. Here, these are all the things that I got. These are the 3 lip glosses that I have. Her packaging is in white and in rose gold, so you can see that's the packaging, just like that. And this is her palette. So these are the this is a part of the bundle, and her highlight, this is a part of the bundle deal that you would get, all of these products. Now realistically, I'm going to just show you guys a full glam look with all of her products. I'm going to provide down below the Instagram page where you can purchase all of these products, and you can also see what she has coming out next. Currently, there's 2 palettes. So there's the rose gold, and then there's the white palette, which is their, I believe, soft glam eyeshadow palette. That's the one that is in the white. And then they're both soft glam, but one is in rose gold and one is in white. So I'm just about to get straight into it. As you guys can see, my skin is bare. I don't have anything on my face. I'm looking very pale, as like us YouTubers and makeup gurus say. If you see me kind of moving around, it's because I have everything kind of placed to the side. So I'll come in a little closer and show you guys how I do the brows, and I'll speed up this process. Second step that I like to do is I like to use the NYX HD setting powder, finishing powder, and I build. When I tell you guys I pack this bad boy on, I build up my eye to being as light as I possibly can. And I place that also underneath my brow, because this is finishing powder, so it also gives your brows a nice finish. To get this as a light possible and a smooth. This is also a nice smoothing process for the eyelids. So when you put that color on, it's ready to go. This is the packaging again for the eyeshadow. Soft glam, has a nice verse, Jeremiah 33, 3, and then you see here like all the description about the company. I really want you guys to go check out Miskissbeauty and see which one you guys would like. Comment down below if you end up using the products and you guys, take your own photos or whatever. And this is the revealing of the eyeshadow. Really nice color, you guys. And it comes with a mirror, which I like. That's something that I love. That I notice only really higher end makeup brands do. So I really appreciate that. Very soft colors. So we're gonna do a very nice soft look today. So first color that I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna be taking this warm purple, like mauve color. Well, it's not purple, it's more mauve, so it's very pinkish brown purple, yes. I'm just gonna build that on here. You can see it's really nice and plump pink. That's really nice. And get that all over. You can see the pigment. Okay. And I'm gonna do a cut crease today just because I haven't done it in a while, and I feel like as of lately, like I've been feeling really, really creative. So just going to do a crease. And I'm going to keep packing that on. So now that it's clearly buildable, which I like. It's still soft, but yet buildable. I'm then going to take the brown shade here and build that color on also. See how those two mix first. Granted, I love browns. I like to do this first, by the way, like building on color before I blend. And the reason why I do that is because it shows the pigmentation of the colors better. And then you blend it out and blend it in and whatever after the fact. Let's do that. I'm building that. And boom. There we go. And because there's like shimmers here, I'm not gonna put the shimmers there. I'm just gonna keep building on that brown. I'm gonna keep building on that brown. And I'm going to blend this out with my NYX blending brush. I mean Wet n Wild blending brush. Without putting any color. So you don't want to dip back into the palette. You want to actually just blend out what you've already applied. And you see that blends it in. Very subtle. The next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Smashbox concealer and I'm going to do a cut crease. Because, and I'm gonna dip it on here, and I'm going to use the Fenty applicator to do the cut crease. So I'm actually gonna be doing that. I'm so happy there's a mirror here. I wish I even like achieved that from the beginning. So this is how you do the cut crease, you guys. You just follow the shape of your eyelid. I like to make mine a little bit more round. That's just me. It just depends on your style. And also, I just want to show you guys really quick my shirt or my hoodie. I'm gonna zoom out a bit to show you guys my hoodie. My hoodie is from Logic Garage, which is another black-owned business. So I'm gonna show you guys that. There you go, LG. So go and also check them out also. That's the hoodie that I'm wearing. It's very warm, especially really nice for fall and winter season. So go and check them out. Okay, and now I'm just gonna jump right back into my eye look. Yeah, but definitely check out Logic Garage. So as you can see, I'm just gonna apply that concealer all over and keep sharpening that cut crease. And then I'll put some here because what I'm gonna do, the trick is I'm going to actually put the brown in the corners, but the lighter my the eye is, that's how that will pop. Do the same thing over here. Put that nice chocolate honey. But if you guys hear like a wind, it's my fan. I just have it on because I have so many lights on today, so it gets pretty hot when you're doing studio, or like if you have makeup or you're doing like, you guys know how it is, like it just gets heated up in here. So I need some type of circulation. So now that that's done and the lid is ready, I'm gonna take this nice pink, I'm gonna tap that on, but I'm only gonna do it at the bottom, you guys, so pay attention to this. I'm only doing it at the bottom. I don't want anything to touch there because I'm gonna put a shimmer in that place. I'm just gonna do it in the center. And like I said, the trick is to build as much product. So you have to tap, tap, build. Tap, tap, build. Think of it like that. Right? This nice gold as well. It's like a warmer gold. I'm gonna use a different brush because I know this brush is literally crying out right now. And I'm going to apply that gold in the front, like how I mentioned. mentioned earlier, how I'm gonna leave this, just build that on. Build that on there. The goal is to use every color up in this palette, okay, you guys? So it's happening. It's definitely happening. That's how you do that. And then afterwards, I'm going to be taking this nice center shade. And I'm gonna put that right in the center on top of that soft pink that we were going with earlier. I'm just use a little bit just to kind of transition that gold. Nice. And then I'm gonna take the dark purple shimmer and apply that shimmer at the end on top of that chocolate. So really nice. Okay, just a little bit. I like a little bit more of a dramatic wing, so I think I'm gonna go up a little bit more. And I just like to look at it from every angle. I'm a perfectionist when it comes down to my lashes because lashes will set you up, honey. If your lashes are not applied properly, your eye look is nothing. And the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation that I use, I'm in the color Cappuccino. So I'm just going to do my detox and also drink like extra gallons of water. Like I drink a lot of water as is, but when I break out, I really go hard. Like I go hard. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll try to do a facial. I'm so sorry, I just feel like my camera is like dancing away, like it's just doing its own thing. Tap that on here and my nose. I don't need a lot, but first thing, definitely warm up the cheeks. Warm that up, and then I'm gonna use the NYX bronzing duo. So I use this nice little brown one and put it here. This brown one, put it here, and that's kind of what bronzes up my face. And then for highlight, I use this second one, and then I'm going to set my face with my Morphe spray. This is the highlighter color. Oh wow, pretty. I'm actually really gonna try, I'm gonna try this on my nose. These are the glosses. I think I'm gonna go with either that gloss. We have very creamy, nice and smooth. I like it. Oh yes, honey. Huh. Yeah. And it dries matte. I like it a lot. So on top of that, now I'm going to put the gloss, only because like this is really pretty, but I need a little more glitter. Like I just love glitter. So this gloss right here, that's be my best friend. I'm putting, oh guys, look at that, beautiful. Yeah, this is about to be my best friend. I already know. So I like matte. Just so you guys can see. Oh yes, honey. Look at that. And it has a very nice like coconut smell. So yeah, it was a lot pretty. So just so you know, this is Kissy, the dark one that I use, and then the light one that I use is in the color Claire Kiss, and then this one that I didn't use is in Queen. So I'll use that in a photo video that I will post on Instagram. So if you guys want to see that, definitely go follow my Instagram, Simply China. And you guys, thank you guys for watching. CC out.